Experienced New Jersey drug paraphernalia possession lawyer. According to New Jersey law, it is illegal to possess a device, instrument, or drug paraphernalia used for unlawfully smoking, swallowing, or injecting a controlled dangerous substance. Under New Jersey law, the offense of possessing drug paraphernalia carries severe penalties that could lead to significant jail time. As a result, anyone charged with possession of drug paraphernalia in New Jersey must retain the services of a skilled criminal defense attorney. New Jersey criminal defense lawyer Adam M. Lustberg has spent years of his career defending those who are charged with criminal offenses in New Jersey. Our team of attorneys works hard to ensure that the rights of a client are protected. New Jersey drug paraphernalia possession charges. For the district attorney's office to prove that a person charged with drug paraphernalia is guilty, they must prove the following elements. The device, instrument, or drug paraphernalia for unlawfully injecting or smoking a controlled substance was in the defendant's possession. The object's presence was known to the defendant. The defendant knew it was an object intended for use to unlawfully inject, smoke, or swallow a controlled substance. Everyday household objects can be considered drug paraphernalia if they are used in a manner that facilitates illegal drug use. Typically, they include the following types of objects: roach clips, needles, drug packaging plastic bags, certain types of smoking pipes, spoons used for liquefying drugs, and kits used for producing synthetic controlled substances. Hypodermic needles and syringes, 2C, 3662. It is illegal to possess or have in your possession a hypodermic needle or syringe or any other device that can be used to abuse controlled substances. These devices can be used to inject heroin or other intravenous drugs, and individuals caught with this item in their possession could face a disorderly person offense. It is only legal to possess a hypodermic needle or syringe if a physician or medical provider has prescribed it. The law is also not applicable to physicians, nurses, dentists, and medical supplies dealers. Selling hypodermic needles and syringes, 2C, 3662. Only licensed pharmacies are allowed to sell hypodermic needles or syringes, and they can only be sold to adults with valid photo identification. These products must be kept behind closed doors by the pharmacy. The pharmacy must also provide information to buyers regarding proper disposal and contact information for anyone seeking help with substance abuse. Penalties for possession of drug paraphernalia charges. The possession of drug paraphernalia in New Jersey is considered a disorderly person offense. A person convicted of possession of drug paraphernalia could face up to 6 months in prison and a $1,000 fine. In addition, the person's driver's license can also be suspended for up to 2 years. It is important to keep in mind that a conviction for drug possession crimes can result in a permanent criminal record. This can have a huge impact on a person's ability to look for a job in the future, since it is difficult to explain this charge to an employer. Possible defenses against possession of drug paraphernalia charge. There are possible defenses available if a person is facing drug paraphernalia charges. One of these defenses is if the police conducted an illegal search and the defendant's constitutional rights have been violated. Another defense could be when a police or law enforcement officer also oversteps the legal bounds of acceptable behavior and coerces or intimidates the defendant during questioning or arrest. Lastly, if the police officer intentionally induces a person to commit a crime, this can be a possible defense for the drug paraphernalia charge the defendant is facing. The importance of having a criminal defense attorney for a possession of drug paraphernalia charges. Your defense attorney's first objective would be to dismiss the drug paraphernalia charges against you, if possible. A defense attorney would look at the facts of the possession of drug paraphernalia case, identify issues that they can raise to create reasonable doubt, and then negotiate the dismissal of the charges. A drug crimes attorney is also important if you are seeking a conditional release to clear drug paraphernalia allegations. Your case may be denied a conditional discharge by the prosecution. The judge will likely accept the word of the prosecutor if there is no New Jersey criminal defense attorney representing you. If dismissal and entry to a diversionary program are impossible, a defense attorney can seek to have charges reduced, such as loitering to obtain drugs, NJSA 2C, 33-2.1, or to a municipal ordinance offense. You could avoid heavy fines or suspension of driving privileges by agreeing to a plea deal. When you've been charged with possession of drug paraphernalia in New Jersey, you need an experienced criminal defense attorney who can battle your charges. Attorney Adam M. Lustberg has more than a decade of experience effectively representing clients charged with all types of drug charges, including possession of drug paraphernalia. He is prepared to fight for your constitutional rights and will work toward the dismissal of your possession of drug paraphernalia charges. Call our law firm today at 201-880-5311 to schedule a free evaluation of your drug paraphernalia case with attorney Adam M. Lustberg.